Hello, my name's Hazel and I'm going to tell you about our plant of the week. Here we have Mossy Saxifrage, also known as Saxifraga arendsii. Now these are evergreen perennials and they are charming little plants. Look how pretty these little flowers are, and from spring to early summer they will be covered in masses of flowers. So these two plants here are actually the same variety. They're called lofty pink, and they start with a much darker colour coming out from the bud. Then as they mature, they fade to a lighter pink, so it gives you a charming two-tone effect. They like sun to a little bit of partial shade, but they do like a really free-draining soil. So they're fantastic for rockeries, along the edge of a path, but also for something like an alpine trough or a pot. If you're going to plant them in a pot, use something like a John Innes peat-free compost and mix in some grit to give it really good drainage. In the winter, they're fully hardy in the UK, so long as they're not sitting in soggy soil, as long as they don't have soggy bottoms. So the colours that they come in are the reds, the whites, the pinks, and this lime green here. These plants are actually one of those few plants that prefer a chalky or a neutral soil, so an alkaline or a neutral soil, so rather than an acidic soil like most plants. So they are perfect for anywhere around Brighton, around on the Downs, in that free draining chalky soil. And they have minimal maintenance. You can deadhead the flowers, or after they've finished flowering, just give them a tiny little trim at the top. But otherwise, they're maintenance free and they flower year after year. So for a really lovely, charming addition to your garden, this is why these are my plant of the week.